What is up, everyone? Welcome back to Homes We Love. I'm your host Zulfania Neza, and today we're at 250 City Road, a new landmark development by Berkeley Homes designed by the world-renowned architects Foster and Partners. Residents of this fine new development can enjoy a state-of-the-art gym, swimming pool and spa facilities, a screening room, a business lounge, and with 1.9 acres of Wi-Fi enabled, beautifully landscaped green spaces, there's really not much more you can want from city living. The apartment we'll be touring today has 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, 2 reception rooms, and similar ones are listed at £2.2 million with Fraser & Co. I'd love to thank them and the amazing team at Berkeley Homes for facilitating this tour today. Let's get started. So this area is one of the Wi-Fi enabled, beautifully landscaped green spaces. I wanted to show you a quick glimpse before we head inside. I want to start the tour in the spa. We enter the building through this beautiful 24-hour concierge. Look how luxurious this place is. We have this beautiful, modern, luxurious hallway leading to the spa with a seating area, and the swimming pool is through here. So we have a beautiful contemporary lap pool that's 20 meters long, so you can do laps in the morning if you want to. I love the pool design. The water fills all the way to the top, but they have a beautiful drain design here that stops it from spilling over to the side. On my right, we have a steam room, beautifully lit. I love the mood lighting. And then we have a stunning vitality pool where you can lay down, relax, and let the bubbles massage you. It's so stunning. Absolutely love it. Over here, we have a sauna, of course, water fountain for when you get thirsty, showers, and this beautiful luminous wall that shows us exactly where we are next to these stunning sun loungers that complement the space really, really well. I want to head to the treatment room, then the gym, and then we can start the apartment tour. Let's go. So we have an accessibility changing room through there, a lounge area. This is your reception area where you check in and get access to the spa. Look at this beautiful feature wall. It's so relaxing. It relaxes you before you even get to the spa. And then the male changing rooms are through here, female changing rooms at the end, and the treatment room is through here. Beautifully designed, state-of-the-art, a beautiful place to come and get your treatment. Look how relaxing it is. Let's head to the gym. I can't wait to show you. Let's go. In here we have your gym with plenty of space. We have lockers on here, another area here with weights. It opens up onto a terrace in case you work out too hard and need to cool off. On the far end, we have a beautiful view overlooking the canal. We are on the 7th floor, which is a plus, because these views are going to be amazing at night. If you're trying to work out, you have a bonus here where you can admire the views. It's so beautifully designed. I love the light fixtures as well as the flooring, but that's it from the gym. So we have the open plan reception room straight ahead that way, 3 bedrooms and a bathroom in that direction. And in here we have a cloak cupboard, beautifully designed, LED light strip at the top, rod here for your clothes, and it's finished to such a good standard. In the hallway we have this really bold Aztec style wallpaper making a statement. The apartment is beautifully interior design and a herringbone pattern that goes all throughout the apartment. These double doors lead into the open plan reception room, and in the kitchen we have this waterfall edge on this beautiful peninsula with undermount dual sinks and an integrated drain design for your dishes. We have a black zip tap, which means you don't have to boil hot water. We have 3 spotlights on this beautiful brass and leather light fixture that beautifully matches the gold, black and white color palette that we have throughout the kitchen. On this side we have a Siemens dishwasher, storage along the bottom and the top, and I love that these come out all the way so you can easily access everything at the back of the cupboard. These cutlery drawers are pre-organized for your cutlery. We have a Miele induction hob. The extractor fan is actually built in behind this mirror shelf. It's so cool. Really love the staging in this apartment. LED light strips along the bottom, beautiful backsplash, spotlights along the top, Miele double ovens, and a Siemens freezer and fridge as well. We have storage in here too, and I really love that the inside is a nice grey that matches the charcoal finish that we have on the outside. On this side we have a breakfast bar. Of course the backdrop there matches what we have in the kitchen, and we have a temperature controlled wine fridge in here. This wallpaper is so stunning. It's fabric, and I really like how they've layered the walls here, and the color on here beautifully complements the light tones we have in the wallpaper. We have these black matte ceiling tracks with spotlights and a pendant light above the dining table, and of course we have these spectacular, amazing views of London, and this door opens right up so you get plenty of fresh air up here, and the balustrade is quite high up so you don't have to worry about safety. And then we have a beautiful seating area, so stunning, beautifully interior designed, comfortable and so inviting. We have recessed lights and built-in speakers at the top, underfloor heating and comfort cooling throughout the entire apartment. I really love how they've divided the space in the reception room, because we have this bit here that divides the dining area from the living area, and we have layered ceilings so that we can separate the kitchen from the living room. I want to go into the principal bedroom next. Through this way, the interior design is so spectacular. Check out this mirror here, so stunning. The principal bedroom is in here. We have built-in wardrobes on the left, ensuite shower on the right, and then of course we have these spectacular views of London. And of course these doors again open right up so that you can get an amazing view, and they're 2 meters wide, which means you get no obstruction for 2 whole meters, and you can almost touch London. It's so incredible. Look at that view from your bed. Isn't that amazing? And then we have a beautiful tall headboard with plug sockets and light switches built right into it, and of course these beautiful pendant lights as well. On this side we have a dressing table, beautiful. I think it's great that they've staged it like that. And on the other side of the room we have a beautiful area where you can sit and either browse Instagram, read a magazine or a book. Let me know in the comments which one you do, of course, and every time you look up you see that amazing view. And then we have built-in wardrobes, and I really love that we have shelves here. You can add decorative pieces, and then we have these beautiful wardrobes, and the doors match the cabinetry we have in the kitchen, beautifully designed even on the inside with LED light strips. And we have drawers in here so that you don't have to worry about getting another set of drawers. So let's move into the bathroom. We have a beautiful walk-in shower with this stunning metal cased glass screen, which I think is quite different. The finish is matte, matching everything else in the apartment. Rain head shower, handheld shower, shampoo niche, and I love the herringbone pattern we have in this grey that beautifully complements the grey veins that we have in the marble tiles. So stunning. Nice seamless drain design at the bottom just there. And then we have a marble clad on the sink. I love the touch of gold on the flush as well, because we have more gold around the mirror, of course 2 of them, the nice wall sconce just there, and we have a Villeroy and Bosch round sink that beautifully works with the space as well. I also really like the black finish on the taps too. Let's head out. I want to show you bedroom number 2, which is this way. So in here we have bedroom number 2. Again, so stunning. Look at these views of London. You wake up to that. Imagine that. So beautiful. The curtains are coming out from above the ceiling, and we have another stunning headboard with plug sockets and light switches built right into it. And these stunning pendant lights as well add something really special to the room. We have built-in wardrobes on this side, and we have more wardrobes on this side, and I love that the color palette and the feel and the finish matches what we have around the apartment. In here we have the ensuite, similar spec to what we saw before, very stunning. We have a walk-in shower on this side, again rain head shower. Everything else is just the same except this stunning, amazing view. Imagine having a shower in the morning and looking at this view over here. You can see the Shard, you can see Bishopsgate. Everything is so stunning. You'd never be stressed. Let's head to the main bathroom. It's in here. We have a beautiful, stunning bathroom, similar to what we have in the rest of the apartment, except that we have a bathtub. really nice and large. I love the drain design we have just there. And I forgot to mention before, but we have an LED light strip just under there, lighting up this shelf under the sink. I think it's so stunning. I want to head to bedroom number 3 and show you how that looks. But before we get there, we have a utility cupboard with a Siemens washer dryer, so that's not something you have to worry about when you move in. Okay, let's head to bedroom number 3, which is through this way. Currently staged as a study, so stunning. Of course, we get these beautiful views of London as well. Stunning interior design, just like the rest of the apartment. The spec is more or less the same as what we have in the other rooms. So that is it from us, guys. So we were going to take off, but we decided to stay here a few more hours just to show you the views after sunset. They look amazing. Enjoy. That is it from us, guys. Thank you so much for watching until the end. Thanks again to Berkeley Homes as well as Fraser & Co for facilitating this tour today. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and until next time, bye bye.